Hey yo, welcome back to class. So today we are going to be designing a landing page in Figma. A landing page in Figma, guys. So open up your Figma, head over to new design file. You already know how to do this. I have shown you guys an introduction to Figma, right? So tap on F on your keyboard to select your frame or your artboard, or you tap on this icon right here on the top left. And I'm going to select my desktop. Okay, so I have it right here. Then I'll head over to add my layout grid. Now, what does layout grid do for you? It gives a guideline on your entire layout design. Okay, so I'll head over to my design panel right here. I'll go over to layout grid. Okay, I'll tap on this one right here. I'll come over here. Okay, I'll select columns. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns right here. So I don't need that. I need 12 columns. 12 columns, all right, and I'll I'll stretch it. No, leave it as stretch. I think the gutter is okay, but I'm going to reduce this margin. I'm going to do 10. Okay, let me do 30. Okay, I'm going to take it further to 50. All right, so this is going to be my guideline. Okay, so my design is going to span from this one right here, from this column right here to this column right here. Okay, so I'm not going to have any design inside this white pad you are seeing here. Inside this white pad you are seeing here, I'm not going to have any design right there. So that's like a guideline to us, okay, for us. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my plugins, go over to my resource. I'm going to use Unsplash. I already showed you how to add plugins to your Figma, right, in the previous video. You can go back and watch the introduction to Figma. All right, so I'm going to search for, we are designing a travel landing page. So I'm going to search for a picture of someone relaxing on a boat. Relaxing on a boat. Okay. So you just give it time to load, depending on how fast your network is, guys. All right. So you just give it time to load. So it's loading. I want to search for a picture I like. Okay, I like this one. All right, guys. So we have our picture right here. We have our picture right here, so I'll go over and close this one right here. So I want to scale it to match this entire page. So what do I do now, guys? What do I do now? I'm going to press my Command X on my keyboard, right? I'm going to press my command X on my keyboard, and I'm going to increase that so you guys can see. My Command S, right? Command X on keyboard, or Control X on keyboard to cut. Okay, so I'm gonna tap that. Command S, all right. Then I'll go over to my artboard. Tap Command V to paste it right there. All right, to paste it right there. Then watch what I'm gonna do. I'm going to duplicate this one. First of all, I'm going to rename it to background image, so that our developer can easily locate it. All right, then I'm going to duplicate it. Command D to duplicate that. Okay, then I'll head over to my fill right here and change it to linear. Okay, I'm going to change it to linear, and I'm going to give it shade black, black. And I'm going to turn this one right here. Okay, as you can see, and I'm going to give this side a dark color too. Tap on it and come over here, give it a dark color too. Then I'm gonna add another color right here. I'm gonna add a shade of white, more like white, like so. Okay, all Alright, then I'm gonna go over and reduce the opacity to 20, like the 50. Okay, you see how dim that is. Let me do 70, so you see 70. So let me remove this grid. Okay, I'm going to remove this grid so you can see it very well. So tap on it and I'm going to hide the grid so you see. Okay, see how cool this picture is. All right, see how cool. Then I can go ahead and still drop the. Let me just play around with this blending option and see how that turns out. Okay, I'm going to change it to multiply. I'm going to change it to multiply. Okay, yeah, I think I like this. I think I like this one right here. All right, then yeah, okay, nice. So I can bring back my grid. Okay, just tap on this eye right here to bring it up. So right now we're going to look for an imaginary name. I'm going to select my test right here. I'm going to select, let me look for an imaginary name. Okay, let me do boom tours. Boom tours, okay. I'm going to select that, go over to, I'm going to maintain this font right here, but I'm going to select extra bold. Then I'm going to reduce the font size. Let's say 30. Yeah, font size. I'm going to reduce that, okay. Yes, nice. I'm going to reduce that. So it's going to come from this column right here. All right. So you see, right? You see why we need column, right? Okay, from that column right there. Let me hide my grid so you see it. So you can see the beauty. Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to bring it back since it is my guide. Then you can save your fonts. Okay, just tap on that font right here. I'm going to tap on this font and come to tests right here. Tap on this one. Okay, see this plus sign right here, create style. Tap on it. Okay, you can just give it a name, say um, logo font. Okay, just save it, create style. All right, so this one gives you no need for you to search for the font, just apply it. Okay, I was supposed to do that before I continue, but let's just continue. Then I'm going to give 3 spaces, 2 column line. Okay, then I'll go over to let me add home and this is gonna be of course I can detach this one. Can you detach it? Okay, and select let me search for another font. Let me search for popping. You can come here and search for font. Okay, popping. Then I need it to be regular. Okay, yes, regular, right? Then font size, we're going to do 25. Okay, then I'm going to select both of them like so. Hold on my shift and tap on it, right, and sorry and align it to the center. Okay, and align it right here. Come to the top right and align it. Okay, then what do I do next? I can come over here, okay, and duplicate this one to have another another uh, option right there, and I can name this review. Okay, nice one. You can duplicate this one too, and course. Okay, sorry. I'm supposed to maintain this one. We have how many pixels? We have okay, so what am I alternate and duplicate? So I want to give it the same pixel from the previous one. So we have 36 pixels, right? You can see the spacing right there. 36, 36, okay? So we have the same spacing right there. I'm going to tap on my T and edit it. Let me just say tips. Okay, then one more. What am I? Duplicate it. Okay, spacing 36. Okay, when I increase the font, when I can do blog, sorry, blogs, can do blogs. Okay, blogs. All right, then I can just hold on, select them like so, select them like this, come over here and distribute horizontal. Okay, so they have the same spacing right there. Okay, nice. So they are all in same line. All right, then I can come over here. Okay, see how that's turning out. I can come over here and add another one. I can add sign up. So I want to duplicate this one. Okay, hold down my alternate on my key, left click, hold, drag, come here. Okay, and sign up. Sorry, sign up. Okay, then I'm gonna add a rectangle there. All right, I'm gonna add a rectangle there. So go over to my rectangle tool and I want to reduce the radius to 20. All right, then how do I bring this back? I'll just come over to my layer panel. I drag it below the sign up. Then as you can see, it is white on white, so I want to change the font size. Let me change this font size to a shade of blue. Right, just come here, give it a shade of blue, or you can come over here. Look at this I button. All right, this icon right here is color picker. Just tap on it. You can sample any color of your choice. Okay, any color. Just tap on that particular object. It's going to sample that color. Okay, just tap on it. It will sample that color. Right. But right now I want to use a shade of blue. I want to use a shade of blue. Okay, a shade of blue. Then what do I need to do? I want to make sure that this figure, this sign up text is aligning with this rectangle. So I'll hold down my shift, select both of them, come over here. Okay, come over here and align them like so. Come over here, put it in the middle like so. Nice. So I am sure that they are in same line. All right, then let me just remove my columns, my layout, so you can see. All right, you see how fine this is, guys. See how fine this is, guys. Okay, and one more thing, let me go over to let me add my layers again. Come over here, add it. Okay, I'm gonna go over to I love to use this one for my icon. I'm gonna go over, type icon monsters. Okay, icon monster. All right, go over here, type search for menu. So this is one of the ways to get icons. I love using icon monster. So just tap on it, the one you like, tap on it. Then you come over to, make sure it is on SVG right here. Come over to embed, right? Come here and copy. Right? Once you copy, go back to Figma and Command V, paste it right there so you can see it right here. So I have it right here. Okay, but I'm going to increase the size. Hold on my shift and increase the size. Okay, or I'll come over here, right, lock my constraint right here. Okay, and just put a figure. Let me do 50. So when you lock this constraint right here, right, this constraint proportion is going to give it the same size in the width and in the height. Okay, so I'm gonna just make sure I align it with these guys right here, and of course I'm gonna give it white. Sorry, come over here and give it white. Okay, yeah, nice. We're good on that. Okay, we're good on that, right? We're good on that, guys. So let me hide my. Okay, we're good on that. So I'll go over and add a very bold text here. I'll say discover. I need that to be capital letter. Discover a beautiful place. A beautiful place. A beautiful place with us. Okay, with us. So I'm going to select everything right here. Command A. I'm going to go over to my font and select enter. Okay, enter, and of course I'm going to select extra bold. Extra bold. Font size, I'm going to make it 70. Okay, then you can come over here and play with your font style. When I tap on this one, it's going to align in the middle center. Okay, you see, right? Cool, guys. If I tap on this one, it's going to align to the right. Here, align to the left, align to the middle. You can just play around with them. This is your horizontal, your auto width, sorry, and this is your auto height, and this is your fist size. So just play around with them. You can come over here and increase the padding. All right, so as I'm sliding over, I'm increasing the padding. Okay, come over here, reduce or increase, but I need it to be in auto, guys, auto. So just come around and play around with them. Come over here and put it in the middle, in the center. Tap on this one, right? Nice. But then I'm going to take it up, all right, to the top. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay, nice. So you can just play around with your align tools. Okay, then I'll come over here and take it up a little bit like so. All right, like so. Okay, take it up like so. Okay, nice. Then I'll come over here and add another text. Would, sorry, would would you explore nature paradise in the world? Let's find the best destination in the world. So I'm going to select all of this, command A, okay, come over to my text and reduce it to 25. Okay, 25, and I'm going to go over to my text and select popping. Popping, okay, and of course it's going to be medium. Okay, it's going to be medium. Of course I'm going to align it to the middle like so. Okay, and I'm going to turn this to auto layout. I'm going to turn it to auto layout. So I'm going to hold on this Shift A for auto layout. Okay, and I'm going to select this one still and Shift A for auto layout. Then I can come over here and put them in the middle. Okay, I can put them in the middle like so. All right, what does auto layout do for you? It automatically aligns your text or whatever you are working on. All right, so when I tap on this one right here, you can see when I tap on this figure right here, I can easily adjust them like so. Okay, adjust the padding like this. All right, when I tap on this one right here, I can come over here and select fee content. All right, so that I can adjust it the way I want to adjust when I want to adjust. Okay, if I choose to adjust. All right, I can adjust the height. I can adjust the width. Okay, if I choose to adjust. All right, so that's one of that's one of the cool ways to use auto layout and these functions right here. Okay, then I can tap on this one and further reduce the font size. Let me do 20 and see 20. Okay, I'm going to do bold. Let me do bold, semi bold and see. Nice. Okay, let me search for another font. Antispo. Okay, let's work with that. Let's work with that. Let's work with popping. Okay, so I'm gonna go over and hide my layouts grid. So you see, right, guys. So you see how this is turning out. All right. See how this is turning out, guys. All right. So what do I need to do again? I'll go over to my layout grid. Remember when we did introduction to Figma, I taught you how to do Boolean operation, right? So I'm going to select my rectangle. Start from here like this. Okay, I'm going to draw over, working with my layout. Okay, still working with my layout grid so I can maintain the same size. I'm going to draw another one here. Okay, I'm going to draw another one here, and so how do I do my Boolean operation? Hold down my shift, select both of them, come here, union, I want to merge them to one. So I haven't merged them. I'll come over to my radius. My radius, let me use 20. Nice. Okay, nice. So let me hide this so you see how this turns out. Alright, nice one. I'll go ahead and add another one. I'll go ahead and add another rectangle, sorry. Another rectangle here. Okay, this is gonna be okay, make it bigger a little bit. And so as you're working, the colors that you've used for your design, they are gonna save you. Okay, I talked about this when I was doing introduction to Figma. So I'm going to select this color right here, and of course my radius, I'm working with 20, right? 20. So I'm going to come over here and type flights. All right, flights. We are working with popping, right? We're working with popping, and I'm going to go over to my icon monster and search for flights icon. Search for flight icon. So let me search for the one I think. Okay, I think I like this one. Just tap on it and click on embed and copy SVG, scalable vector graphics. Come over here and paste it right here. Okay, paste it right here. Okay, so what do I need to do? I'm going to first of all align this one, align them like this, right? Make sure it's in the middle. All right, then I'm going to make them to be auto layouts, and of course it's going to be hog content. All right, then this one I'm going to make this one to be, I'm going to lock my constraints and adjust it to be 30. Then make it bigger, 40. Then of course I'm going to give it white, right? Sorry, I'm going to give it a white color. Right, so what do I need to do? I'll come over here, all right, select this one and add it inside my auto layout. All right, so you see how it's automatically scaled. Okay, see how it's automatically scaled. Then I can come over here. If I choose to reduce it, I can come over here and reduce it if I want. Okay, so you see how everything will automatically scale and align. All right, so trust me, you're going to work with auto layout a lot. So I can still come over here and edit this one. I want to reduce the radius to like 10. Right, okay, let's work with 10. Then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one like so. Sorry, duplicate this auto layout like so. Okay, duplicate it like so and give it spacing of 42 pixel. Hold down both of them and drag it up a little bit. Okay, I'll head over to my icon for icon monster, then search for hotel, and I'll look for any icon that I love. I think I like this one, so I'll click on it, SVG as usual, embedded, copy, come back to my Figma and paste it right here. Okay, so here I have it, and I'll lock my constraints and increase it to 30. Okay, of course I'm gonna give it white, right? White, so I'll drag over and add it right here. Okay, so since it is auto layout, you can see that it's automatically scaled, right? It automatically became responsive. All right, so that's one of the the how do I put it, that's one of the good things that comes with making your components or making your design into auto layout. It makes them responsive. All right, then I want to make this very different. I want to remove, I want to make these very different. Okay, since this is not selected, all right, I'm going to change that color to a shade like this. Now I'm going to take it up. All right, so it is until it is selected, that is when it's going to highlight. Okay, then of course I'm going to change these colors right here so that they can align with others. All right, then change this to this color. Nice. So until someone tap on this one, right, that is when it's going to turn blue. Okay, yes. So I'll head over and go over to my icon for monster, search for location, search for location, and I'll look for the one I like. Location. Okay, I think I like this one. Then I'll embed, copy, come back to my Figma, and of course paste my constraints. I'm going to make it 30. All right, come over here and just make this, and of course I'm going to make it, let me give it a shade of gray and see. Nice. Then I'm going to add it inside a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to add it inside a rectangle like so, but then I'm going to reduce the radius. Okay, I'm going to reduce the radius so that my left click and drag like this. Okay, so I'm going to pinch out and feel. I want to make it this color. What color right now? I want to make it to be, select my color picker, select this color right here. Nice. Of course, I'm going to bring to back, send to back. Okay, nice. So I'm going to select this one and of course align them. All right. Okay, so I'll select this, Command Z. Let me check something out. So here is it. So I'm going to take it up, drag it up like so. All right, nice. All right, so I have it there. Then I'm going to type location, and font size 20, popping semi bold. All right, then this is gonna be here like so, guys. Okay, like so. Then I want to add another text. Where are you going? Okay, I want to reduce that font to 15. Nice. And of course I want to give it a shade of gray like so. Nice. Okay, sorry, Command Z. Then of course I'll drag it over here. Okay, I'll drag it over here like this. So this one is going to come over to this side, align. Okay, let me zoom out and see. Nice. So what do? I'll just select this one right here. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and make another copy. All right, I'll make another copy and duplicate it. But of course this one is gonna be travelers, right? Okay, travelers, is that correct? Yes, correct. And here's gonna be add guests. Okay, and of course I want to bring it over. Okay, maintain the same line spacing. Then this, I'll go over to my icon for design. I'll search for profile. Okay, I'll search for profile and hold on. So I'll look for the icon I like. The icon I like. I think I like this one. Help me, guys. Help me, guys. Help me, guys. Okay, I wish you can really help me right now to select. Okay, since you're not here right now, okay, I'll just select this one. Okay, so I'll come over, embed, and copy. Go back, and of course I'm going to right click, right, and paste to replace. Okay, so that it's going to replace that particular icon there. All right, so that's an easy way to actually replace your icon ASAP. All right, so I'm going to tap on this one and make sure it is centralized. Okay, and to the middle. Nice. Then I'll go ahead and what next should I add? Okay, I'll just add another one right here. So I'm gonna make another instance of this, and of course okay, make sure they have the same the same spacing. All right, so here is going to be checking, here is going to be checking. Okay, here is going to be checking, and here is going to be add dates, here is going to be add dates. All right, so the user is going to add, sorry, space, add date. Okay, so the user is going to add the dates he or she is actually booking. So I'm going to go over and add a calendar. So let me look for a calendar. Okay, right, calendar icon to add right there. I think I like this one, so I'll go over embed, copy, and back to Figma. Of course, as usual, tap on this one right here. Okay, right click, paste appearance, sorry, paste to replace. Okay, paste to replace, boom. So we have it right there, and of course select this color right there. Nice, guys. So we're gonna add one more, so I'm gonna select that, select this, this, and this, and of course I'm gonna duplicate it like so, make sure they have the same pixel. Okay, 68. So this is gonna be checkout, right? So the user is going to add the date they are checking out. Okay, the date they are checking out. Okay, so that is it, guys, on that one. Then as you can see right here, I want to increase the spacing. Okay, I want to increase the spacing. Okay, tap on this, tap on this, tap on this, and I'm gonna tap on, okay. I think it's okay, it's okay for me. So what I need to do is actually reduce this one. So I'll reduce this one like so. All right, then I'll add search button here. So I'll go over to my icon for design and search for search. All right, I'll search for search, and of course I'll look for a very nice icon to add there, guys. So I'm gonna add this. Okay, I'll come over to embed, copy, and come here. All right, I'm going to paste it right there. Okay, I'm going to paste it right there. And of course I want to increase the size constraint. I want to make it 40, okay, because I want it to be very big, guys. I want it to be very big. Let me make it 60. All right, yeah, so I want to make another rectangle right here. Okay, I want to make another rectangle right here. Okay, and of course reduce the radius like so. Nice. Of course we are working with blue, right? Go back to my view, make it blue. Nice. Then I'm gonna send, right click, send to back. All right, no, go back. I'm gonna come over here and drop it like so. Okay, okay, hold on, where is this one? So I want to take this one. Okay, where am I? Okay, so I'll locate this one right here, drag it below this one right here. Okay, drag it below this guy right here. Okay, so I make sure they are aligned with everything here. Then of course I want to make this guy bigger again. All right, sorry, I'll hold on my, tap my K on my keyboard and scale. All right, I will scale like so. Okay, then I'll select both of them like so and make sure it's in the middle. Okay, and align like so. Nice. Then of course I want to make this guy white. Okay, I want to make this guy white. Where are you? Where are you? So I want to make this guy white. Come here and select white, guys. Nice one. Nice one. So you can see how this page has turned out to be. Okay, Then I can go ahead and just make a few adjustments. If I choose to, I'll come here. I think this button is too big. Okay, just zoom in. I think this button is too big, so I'll just reduce it a little bit. Reduce it a little bit, and of course, align it. Okay, align it like so. Nice. Okay, nice. So I'm going to increase this page vertically. Okay, so I want to add more designs in this section right here. Okay, so what do I need to do? I want to increase this page. Just tap on my artboard. Okay, tap on it and increase this page. Okay, nice. You see, when I increase this page right now, see this text right here is coming along because we already made it an auto layout, so it's becoming responsive. As we adjust the page, it's becoming responsive. All right, but we don't want that. Okay, so how do we make it stay put? How do we constrain it to this particular location? So we just tap on it. Okay, come over to our constraints right here in our design panel, right by our right constraints right here. As you can see, it is in center right now, so I'm going to put it in top. All right, tap this top. Okay, so watch what's going to happen when I adjust the page. You see, it has stay put, right? It has stay put. Okay, so that's how to fix it right there. Okay, that's how to fix it right there. So it has stay put. So I want to add more designs right here. Okay, then I want to add more design right here, and I'm going to add a rectangle here. I'm going to add a rectangle here. I'm going to add a rectangle here like so. I'll go back. Okay, I want to adjust this one. I want to adjust this one. Come over, select both. Remember, I duplicated them, so I want to make it like this. All right, nice. I want to make it like this because I want to put another design right here. So here, I'm going to put tap my text tool. Here is going to be explore. Okay, explore. All right, of course, bring it to, let's turn on our grid for our guide. Okay, so turn it on right here. So here's going to be explore. Okay, tap on it. Here's going to be explore, and the font size is going to be, what font size are we working with here? Let me check out this font size. 20, and here is let's make it semi bold. Okay, all right, then another text right here. Here's going to be explore to destination. Explore to destination, guys. Okay, then of course this one's gonna be bold, of course. This one's gonna be 50. All right, okay, then watch what I'm gonna do to these tests right here. Okay, watch what I'm gonna do this right here. I'm gonna select it and select it and hold on. Okay, okay, take it up a little bit, then all right, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so when I adjust this one right here, watch, it is giving the letter spacing more pixel, more room. Okay, so I just want to make a little bit of room inside. All right, so just come over to your text panel right here. Okay, and add a little pixel right there. Okay, so just make it like so, like this. All right, then this is gonna be, we're gonna give it a shade of gray. Okay, nice. Okay, then I'm going to add, three rectangles right here. So tap my rectangle tool and of course draw over like so. draw over like so, and make it a little bit, yes. Alright, so I'm going to duplicate this one, make sure it's aligning with others. Of course, this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to shift this one out. Alright, perfect. Perfect. So what am I going to do now? Okay, I want to remove my grid so I can see everything well. Okay, so what am I going to do right now? Okay, so I am going to go over to my plugins right here, search for Unsplash as usual. Okay, then I'll search for just search for anything, destination pictures, relaxation pictures. Okay, all right, so I'm giving it time to open. So when it opens out, I'm going to add pictures right here. Okay, all right, so we have it right now. So I'm going to select this one, I'm going to select all of them, so the picture just add randomly. Okay, so let me just search for explore destination. Let me just see what's going to come out. Explore destination. Explore destination. Okay, let me just select one of these and see what is going to happen. Okay. Okay, so I want to change it, so I'm going to select this one and add another picture right here. Tap on this, then I will select this one. Let me just search for Dubai right here. Let me just search for Dubai. Okay, and see what comes out. Alright, so I need a picture of these skyscrapers. Alright, yeah, that's what I'm looking for, so I'm going to select this. Alright, nice, so that's what we're looking for. Thank you, Unsplash. Thank you. So you can see our page is coming to life. Okay, our page is coming to life, guys. So right here we are going to add another rectangle here, but this one is going to come like so. I'm going to add another rectangle here. Okay, another rectangle here, then make it white. So make it white, make it I'm gonna sample this color. Okay, make it this color. All right, come here, I'm gonna sample this color. Let me make use of this one right here. Okay, so I'll just put a test right here. I can just put deserts, right? Do you know why this test is spread apart? Remember our spacing, our letter spacing, we increased it when we increased this explore right here. So we're going to take it back to the default state. Just tap on that figure and put 0. Okay, so you can see it's back to normal, right? It's back to normal, guys. So I'll just allow my test right here. Just allow my test right here, and okay, nice. Then I'm going to look for this location. I'm going to copy this location icon, copy it. All right, come here, paste it. Did I copy it? Okay, yeah, it has been copied. So I'll come here and paste it, but then I'm going to make this color red. I'm going to make it red. Okay, is it looking off? Let me see, the entire page is looking off. Okay, we're still on track, guys. So I'm going to add, let me add Italy here. So Italy right here. Do we have any desert in Italy? I don't even know, but just for the sake of this design, let's just make use of this Italy. I'll come over and of course reduce the font size to like 20, and of course give it a shade of gray. Nice. All right, and leave it here. And of course we can select the price. Let me search for dollar sign, dollar. Let me search for dollar, and let me see if I can have a nice dollar sign right here. Okay, I think I have one here. This is quite fancy, very fancy, guys. So bed, copy, come back and paste. Command V, you see right here. Come back and paste, and I have something like this. All right, make this, let's say $500. Okay, $500 per person, okay, because we're gonna make this one, give it this color, right? So you can see that you can actually give, even though it is one test, you can actually give them different colors. You get that, right? You can actually give them different colors. But then I want to select this one. I want to align it to the middle. Sorry, Command V. I want to align it to the middle, like so. Okay, my bad. Command Z. Select this one, and align to the middle. Right. Come here. Let me just shift this one closer a little bit, like so. Right. Then I'm gonna give it a little padding. All right. So I'm gonna do same with this one. Select this, and bring them to the middle. Hold up. Stupid. Sorry, go back. Okay, let me select the one. See what happens. Come here to the middle. Sorry, I didn't select. Command Z. I didn't select. Select this. Alright, to the middle. Select this, and of course just drag it in like so, guys. Is it making sense? Let me zoom out and see. Is it making sense? I want to change this to blue. Okay, nice. All right, then I want to add another button here. I want to add another button here. Okay, and that button is gonna be, let me just go ahead and duplicate this, copy this, duplicate this one right here. Okay, hold them alternate and drag. All right, so here it is, and of course I'm going to take it up all the way. All right, so we're going to have something like this. Of course I'm going to bring it down, scale it down a little bit. and of course I'm going to delete this icon. Okay, and this one's gonna be book now. All right, so we have that. Of course we can just bring it to the corner. Okay, just bring it to the corner, right? Cool. So we have, so what are we gonna do? I'll tap on this one, tap on this, tap on this. All right, tap on this, tap on this, tap on this, tap on this, and put them inside a group. So how do I group? Right click and group selection. All right, or you press Ctrl G or Command G on your keyboard. So right here I can come here and rename it. Just double tap on it. Okay, just double tap on that group and rename it. You can say destination price. Okay, cool. So we can just hold down our alternate, right, and duplicate it like this. All right, duplicate it like this. All right, and go ahead and duplicate this one too like this. Okay, hold down alternate on your keyboard, left click, hold, and drag. All right, nice. So you can just give it any name of your choice. You can put this, you can see this one is just click on that and edit it. Okay, just edit it. Can put this one, let's say UK, UK, anything you want to name it to. All right, and this one you can say United Arab, United Arab Emirates. All right, cool. And come here, change it to Dubai, the almighty Dubai. Okay, Dubai. All right, then just give it a little bit of padding, a little bit of padding. All right, so cool, guys. So you can see this page is already set. It's already set. So this is how to design a landing page. All right, so with this you can actually make another design. You can design more you can design more pages. So all right, with this, so let me just preview this and see. So I'll go over to my preview and come to present. All right, come to present, and give you some time to load up. All right. All right, it has previewed. So here's our page right here. So you can see right here. Okay, so when you scroll down, you can see the beautiful page we just designed. All right, you can see the beautiful page we just designed right here. See right here. Okay, very nice, very nice. So guys, that is it on how to design a landing page in Figma.